All right, we're in the shop doing a little bit of Friday fun work today. Mark, looks like you got a block over here. What are you up to?
Yeah, so I've had this engine for about a year, and as you can see, we've got it torn down to the bare block. And so I haven't touched this in a couple of months, but we've had a lot of things going on with the business, moving, etc. So back on it now.
So I see over here chucked up on this drill, you've got a very interesting honing setup. It looks like some felt pads. So are you going to be honing this block today?
Yeah, I sure am. And the reason for the felt pads are that this is a Chevy Vega block, but it's the Cosworth EA, and these had high silicon aluminum cylinder sleeves, bore sleeves, which is not standard as iron. So anyway, the honing procedure is different. There's a specific paste, Sun and AN30, and felt pads that have to be saturated in WD-40, because using standard stone honing would just destroy the Alusil high silicon content aluminum sleeves.
I look forward to seeing how it's done.
All right, here we go.
So it looks like you've got these bores coming along quite well. How do you know how long you should be running the honing each one?
Well, I'm using the honing manufacturer recommendation of 2 minutes per bore. So that's what we're going with. And we start at the back of the engine and are working our way to the front. So we're on cylinder 1 now. So this is the last of the 4.
Very nice.
Yeah, yeah. We did the procedure. There was a lot of build up to this total of 8-minute procedure, 2 minutes per bore. And so well before we did this, we using a bore gauge, we checked, and the bores are all within, well within tolerance of both roundness as well as the diameter.
And so does this process remove any material?
It more or less removes the glaze that could be there, but the idea is to expose the silicon content of the aluminum sleeves.
And so now that you've got the honing done, what's the cleanup process like? What are the next steps before the engine can be prepared for assembly?
Okay, well, we did just use some cleaner degreaser to remove the honing material and the compound. So now we're going to move on to giving it a good pressure washing. We did clean the engine beforehand. I walnut shell blasted it, and then
looks nice.
Yeah, so it'll be pretty neat. So yeah,
get it washed out, get those coolant jackets, oil galleys all cleaned out. Very nice.
Yep.
We're looking forward to it.
We're getting there.